Welcome to Session 46, the final review. This is a rapid, high-confidence sweep across all four domains. The goal isn't new learning, it's activation, pulling everything you've mastered into working memory for exam day. We'll recall the highest yield rules for each domain without notes, touch all four quickly, and get you walking in confident. Algebra first. Isolate the variable with inverse operations. For systems, eliminate or substitute. Flip an inequality sign only when you divide by a negative. And in y equals mx plus b, the slope is the rate, and b is the starting value. Quick examples. 2x minus 7 equals 15 gives 11. Negative 3x greater than 12 flips to x less than negative 4. Absolute value splits into two cases, fast and clean. Advanced math. Solve quadratics by factoring the vertex formula or the quadratic formula. The discriminant tells you the number of roots. A 0 at r means x minus r is a factor. Exponentials grow if the base is over 1 and decay if under 1. And f of x minus h plus k shifts the graph right h and up k. Quick examples. X squared minus 5x plus 6 gives 2 and 3. 2 to the 3x equals 2 to the x plus 6 gives x equals 3. And watch the direction. F of x plus 3 shifts left, not right. Data analysis. Mean is sum over count. Median is the middle. Adding a constant shifts the center, but leaves the spread unchanged, while multiplication scales everything. Correlation is not causation. You need random assignment for that. And conditional probability uses the restricted total. Quick examples. The set 2 through 10 has mean 6 and range 8. Add 5 to every value, and the mean becomes 11, but the standard deviation is unchanged. And for conditional probability, divide by b's total, not the grand total. Geometry and trig. The Pythagorean theorem plus the common triples. The special triangle ratios. X root 3, 2x, and x root 2. Circle area and circumference, and the arc fraction. SOHCAHTOA. And the volume formulas, with the 1/3 for cones and pyramids. Quick examples. Hypotenuse 13 with a leg of 5 gives 12. Sine 30 is 1/2. Cosine 60 is 1/2. Tangent 45 is 1. And a circle of radius 4 has area 16 pi and circumference 8 pi. Bring it together with 5 rules for exam day. Read the question and underline what's actually asked. Fill every blank before time is called. Budget about 1:35 per question. When you're stuck, eliminate 1 or 2 choices and guess. And above all, trust your 16 weeks of structured practice. You've built the foundation. Now it's about execution. Your turn. A right triangle has a hypotenuse of 13 and one leg of 5. Find the other leg. Pause and see if you spot the triple. 5 squared plus b squared equals 13 squared. So b squared is 169 minus 25, which is 144. So b is 12. It's the 5, 12, 13 triple, which you should now recognize on sight. Let's recap Session 46. Algebra is isolating and combining, watching the sign flip. Advanced math is quadratics, the discriminant, and shifts. Data analysis is center versus spread and the right conditional total. Geometry and trig is triples, special triangles, and the key formulas. And on exam day, read carefully, fill every blank, budget your time, and trust your preparation. Next, the final prep strategies for student responses and the hardest questions.